Steve, you were one of the first American professional basketball players here in Walferdange in Residence. It was 74, 75 and the year after it. And today we have agents, we have networking. How did you come to Luxembourg and to Walferdange?
Well, it was sort of a network. I first played in 71 for Mersch, and then I went back to my family in New York for 2 years. I came back, but in Mersch, my coach knew a man named Paul Felice, and he came all the way to New York to meet me. And all he said was, "Can you smash? Can you smash? Can you smash?" And then I came to Mersch, but then I knew the system. I played against the national team here with Steve Koski, other players, and I just fell in love with the country because my parents are European, you know, Greek and Italian. And was that the question? So then I learned the ropes about Luxembourg, and when they put me at Henry's house, he just became a dear friend of mine. Because
yes, this was a question of your experience here in Walferdange, and there they told me, your friends here in Luxembourg, they told me a very funny story about you playing here 40 points.
Yes, so I was waiting at Henri's one night, and it was pouring rain, and we used to play in the school in, what's the next town? Lawrenceweiler. That was our venue. And I'm sitting there waiting, and I'm going, what? And I tried to call, but they already left. So I said, that's it, I'm getting on the road, and I got a ride, you know. Hitchhike, I don't make a habit of it. And I got there, and I said, what is the matter with you guys? I don't think I'm a star, but you won't win without me. I want to play my game. And then I said, and right now I'm not going to play unless you promise to pay the rest of the rent at Henry's house, to make it simple. And they did it. It was an interesting committee with Dietert and Mr. was it Herber? Anyway, so it was in the papers. Art Juncker, he liked me. He put 40 points on auto stop, and he explained, that's the American spirit, that's the American spirit. I don't know if I can agree with that 100%, but I wanted to play. I was in love with basketball from growing up in New York, and I played in university in Pennsylvania. And I tried for the NBA, and it was like, hey, thanks for coming, see you, bye-bye. So I came back to Europe. I was in that period when I wasn't here. And yeah, the auto stop is a funny story, but it's a true story, so